Let's look at how to name esters. First, we have to identify the ester link. The ester link of this compound is circled with red dots. This is the ester link. Next, we break the ester into its constituent parts, since an ester is a product of a chemical reaction between an alcohol and carboxylic acid. So when we break, this is where exactly we break it into the alcohol and carboxylic part. So we are breaking the carbon that has a single covalent bond with an oxygen. So now it is separated into its constituent part. Next, we count the number of carbon in each part. The alcohol part has 2 carbon and the carboxylic acid part has 3 carbon. Now let's deduce the name of ester. The name of an ester consists of 2 parts. The first part derived from alcohol, the second part derived from carboxylic acid. Since the alcohol in this compound has 2 carbon, the first part of the name of an ester starts with ethyl. YL is the suffix that we use in naming the first part of an ester compound. And the second part of the name derived from carboxylic acid, and since it has 3 carbon, the second part of the name of an ester is propanoate. Now the YL, yield, and noate are known as the suffix. This suffix is fixed for all ester compounds. So the first part of the name of an ester always ends with -il. The second part of the name of an ester always ends with -noate. Thus, the name of this compound is ethyl propanoate.